Okay guys, so as you guys know, it's my birthday. We just went on the road to handle some business and got a few little things for Jamari for like winter, like set of things. So I'm gonna try them on him now and see if they fit. And then so I have to send back and so I decided that doing my hair is very expensive. I'm tired for wear the wig. I feel like it's tired now, not time to take off. So I decided in my own mind that I'm going to try to braid my hair myself. I never do it before. I don't really know if I do it. I watch my YouTube video and see if I can figure it out. I never know if I make this, but I made it. Watch my YouTube video and figure it out. So I'm going to try. I'm going to make an attempt to braid my hair myself. I don't know how it all work out because I never do it before, as I say. But yeah. Yes, baby. Anyways, I'll want to see me try and do something about him? Want to see that? Is that interesting to you guys? Alright, I can do it. Come, baby. Come and turn over here. So I can't see me. Yes. Come, let's try. Let's see. Oh, but if I chewing gum, I eat one because the chocolate something well sweet in my mouth and I don't feel very yuck. Let me have a gum. Alright, gum. Okay, let's try it, baby. Shall I start digging or what size is this? Is that 12 to 13? I'll try it. Wait, not alright. Come. Take off this. Wait, baby. Okay. I'll show you want to see this now. I'm going to. I don't know if you don't want to see me try and do something for me, but I'm showing you because I don't think I'm doing anything for the rest of the day. They're going to a barber shop. So I doubt we're doing anything for the rest of the day. I don't know. So the video would have finished here, so if I'm not showing you this, so your socks down. Jamari, wear your socks. Oh, good job, bro. So guys, this super short set, it's this, and it comes with that top here. So I'm going to simple set that up. They look big though. At 12 to 18, so 1 to 1.5. Let's try them and see how it look. They look big. And why the fox up on the bottom? Kind of weird. Right, so this is the back. Careful. This is the back of the shorts. Is that weird too? Or just me? I'm just afraid. Anyways, let me put this on my shirt. Come. Sugar, sugar, sugar. Papa P. Papa P. 1 foot. Next foot. 2 feet. It's because Jamari top back broad, but in foot them like in waist and in foot them it hard to find for buy sets because the bottom is big and the top fit just right. So this now it looks okay. The bottom big though. Do I like it big? No, I don't like it. You know what I say? You know, I'll move from my foot phone, you see. So, there he is. Look. See him there? He big. The top is okay. The top can work with it. But the bottom big, man. Wanna take this one? Up. You start quarreling on me, right? I'm hurry up and do it. Yeah. You can mock me, busy. Alright, so this is the one he does add on. The top kind of alright, but I'm not like the bottom. The bottom too big. Let's see this one. So look at this in the front, like that. This is 18 to 24. I didn't even realize that. Oh, it's not too big. Let's see. Wait, no. Whee! Come on. No. Ah, Tio. Why no boy? Turn on. Next one. Here. And it's October and the place not cold yet, you know. As you saw, like he was outside, he never have on a sweater or jacket or nothing. He just have on a long sleeve shirt. And he did have on a jeans jacket, like this one. And them look all longish, but the body is okay. Look at you. Mama. Look. See? Alright. So, let me see. Yeah, and I can fold up our drum or something. Not true. But I did that smiling during it. Said every Caribbean parent. Yeah, not mine. Alright, so that was this one. Alright, so I mean, if you try no more, because I kind of don't want to do no more. But anyways, it's a set of 2. Make sure I set them all along. And then this is also 18 to 24. I mean, take up that one, but I did ask him if it look big, and he tell me say no, it don't look big. And my buy it same way. So yeah, them there. I'm not gonna try them, man, because you know I do it and me have to. Alright guys, so I don't think I'm gonna do anything for the rest of the day, so I'm gonna be out. Bye. You don't like it? Remember that I like it. Hi.